Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Wix account. First, navigate to the Wix homepage and click the Get Started button. You'll then be prompted to create an account, which you can do using your email address or by connecting with your Google or Facebook accounts for a faster setup. After signing up, Wix will ask you a few simple questions about the type of website you want to build, helping to personalize your initial experience and recommendations. This initial step takes only a minute or two. Once your account is ready, it's time to select a template. Wix offers hundreds of stunning, professional templates across various categories, from portfolios to online stores. After choosing, you'll enter the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Here, you can effortlessly customize every aspect of your site, including fonts, colors, images, and page layouts. Remember to check the mobile view to ensure your design looks fantastic on smaller screens, providing a seamless experience for all visitors. Now, let's populate your site with engaging content. You can easily add text boxes, upload high-quality images, embed videos, and create beautiful galleries to showcase your work or products. Wix also allows you to integrate powerful features such as contact forms, an online store with secure payment options, or a booking system for services. Don't forget to explore the Wix app market, which offers hundreds of additional tools and functionalities to enhance your website's capabilities. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire website. Check all your pages, links, and content for any errors or omissions. Once you're satisfied, simply click the Publish button and your website will be live and accessible to the world. For a more professional touch, you can connect a custom domain name, which typically costs around $12 to $15 per year. Congratulations, your new Wix website is now online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.